Hello everyone,
I'm Anjali Joshi from Thane, Maharashtra.
welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share some amazing news with you all. I have recently started my own business and I am thrilled to show you the products I have received. Let's get started. The Forever products arrived in beautifully designed packaging that's both elegant and sturdy. The boxes are precisely arranged with each product carefully placed to ensure safe transportation. The packaging is not only visually appealing but also reflects the high quality products inside. A delightful unboxing experience from start to finish. I'm once again saying I'm really proud to be starting my own business. I'm excited to see where this journey takes me. Thank you all for your support and encouragement. I'm so happy to share with you the FLP products I have received. As you can see, they are top notch quality, and I'm really looking forward to sharing them with you all. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Sharing is caring, so please share this video with your friends and family who might be interested. Let's grow together. Thank you.